Hi everyone, welcome to Edward channel. Obviously just now before you could see this lawnmower couldn't start, so I have to find out what's going on with it. So probably the first thing I'm going to check in the spark plug. So it's like I guess over a year or two something like that, I haven't checked it, so I guess it's caused by the spark plug. Okay, let's figure out, is that the spark plug? 好嘢喎，成個識埋嘢，佢呢個仲係會自動喐嘅添，真係唔同啲日本嘢就係日本嘢，冇紙添。冇油咩？哇，好靚啫，仲〜3條碌嘢，係咪先？有都未得啊！而家6點啊！未碌。
會。It's blurry. Okay.
Oh, what a lucky. That's the thing though. Too small, man.
真的，你得
唔熱烊啊！我試下先。試。Okay, obviously it couldn't start, it caused by the spark plug though. But just now before I put a different spark plug right there. I don't know is gonna for long term is that gonna work, but I'm pretty sure I have to buy another spark plug that's good for this guy though. So the difference is I think it's right here. So this is way bigger, this is smaller. So this guy, it couldn't stabilize it. So it's kind of too loose, right? So for long term, I don't think it's that great. So I better just go get exactly the same head right here. Okay, so but it couldn't start caused by the spark plug, so I'm pretty sure what's going on right now. So right on. Problem solved. There we go. Okay, okay, I'm gonna go out now. I'll be right back. Them back from brand new, bottom from Canadian Tire. So yeah, that would be exactly the same. Okay, all right, let's do it. brand new. There we go. That would be the right one. There we go. Right.